What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, it's basically just gonna be some clips from when me and the homies kind of met up. This is probably a year, or close to a year, if not. Basically, all the homies who are in there, I think their cars are all set up differently. Probably even my car. I think my car is set up differently. Yeah, because I think I still had the niche wheels on this setup. So yeah, just something was going through the camera and saw I had some extra footage I never made a video for, so figured I'd just release it instead of just getting rid of the content. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll have some more videos for you as well. And of course I need to get gas. Oof, sounds pretty good. I think he said he did a muffler ugly.
That's the rotary, isn't it? That's the master.
Sound like it. Alright, so we lined up. This is after meet, or yeah, after the meet. We're about to roll up to another meet. So that's gonna be in another video, so definitely stay tuned for that. Still gonna line it up a little bit, but this is what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna take the picture from this end. Yeah, and that way we can get everybody. That'll be a good picture.
Dope boys, off-white, looking like soft white on them. God to be dope boys, how you not be a whole fan? I'm on this shit again. I want supreme, didn't become. If I put it shit, I got your president tweet. I won't even meet with him. Y'all killed my president. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? This is wow. This is crazy. Wheat is falling. Oh, there's a Mustang over there. Can we just challenge the Mustang, bro? They just came back.
And that's going to do it for this video. I'd like to thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, have a good one. Peace.